Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Isimosendoda. I am the forex trader since 2014. I'm going to show you my analysis, but I will also wanna backtest so that you'll understand my back analysis. This is for free. It's a free educational video. You can take something from it. If you modify using your own strategy also, feel free, because even this one is mine, yes, but I know it's a combination of what I have learned before. Okay, ngicela futhi ni subscribe on this video and like it so that in future you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload a video. Like it and subscribe, and I'll be also motivated in future to upload more videos, more educational videos. Okay, here I will be analyzing the EurUsd, because I want to make this video short and sweet. I won't analyze other pairs. I'm only using 4 pairs: GBPUSD, EurUsd, GBPUSD, and ZDUSD when I trade. But sometimes I can add USD CAD, USD JPY. It's just that these 4 are the ones that I think they are respecting my strategy. And I also use 3 time frames, which is monthly time frame, daily time frame, and the 4-hour time frame. On the monthly time frame, that's when I look for few candles to determine my trend. It can be any candles, but on my trend, I'm not looking at the whole structure like this one. I'm only focusing on a few candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, that's the trend for me, because this is a monthly time frame, and I wanna take my trade on the 4-hour time frame. If I notice one counter trend candle like this one, a bearish one, only one, yes, 2 can use them, but I prefer one most of the time. Those candles are my pullback. That's when I say it's a pullback. The price is retracing. Then I'll go to my lower time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, and then that's when I take my trade. As you can see now here, there were 1, 2, 3, 4 candles going up, and obviously here there was a change of the structure, so that was also a confluence for me. But I won't focus on that one, because today I want to show my projection only. But I hope you understand what is a change of character. That's when the trend is reversing. Okay, the 5th candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one was a bearish. Then I was happy, because I was expecting the following candle to be bullish. This was in March. So in March, EurUsd was going up. So I still expect this thing to go up. Either this candle, the current candle, to fill. I'm trying to take my okay. Either to come here, because this has already reached that point, but because it's on the 18th, so toward the end of, in fact, yeah, toward the end of the month it will reach that point. That is my anticipation. You know, there's no 100% strategy. This thing can change at any time. They say the market is always right. So it's an uptrend. One candle, we pull back. Now it's a continuation. Then on the daily time frame, I prefer the maximum of 3 candles to be my pullback. As you can see here, I just showed you recently that the price has been going up. Here I think it's that candle, one candle, which was a pullback. Okay, now it went up, a continuation. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, here there was a something going wrong there, because you can see now it looks like a reversal. Seems like a reversal, but I will also show you how I also analyze if the price going that way. So now there are 2 candles, 1, 2. That is my pullback. I'm expecting continuation going down to 4-hour time frame, where I'll be taking my trade. On the 4-hour time frame, I put something like this: trend line, not trend line, it's horizontal line, and I mark. Okay, I just put the line, but for your sake, I will also show you exactly where is my key point. My key point is here. This is my recent lower. It's a higher low, and this is my recent higher high. That's where my focus is. Okay, as I mentioned, with an alarm, price was going down like this. You see now, here, data in my candle is up, down, up, down. It looks like it's chopping. Yeah. However, when you go to my 4-hour time frame, okay, I'm moving average. I'm 15 no 13. I will also tell you how I use them. Okay, at the moment, because I want to show you my projection for this week on the EurUsd, I want to make this video short and sweet. But if you take this analysis and trade it, take it at your own risk. It's my analysis, not a signal. The price can change at any time. So I don't want to be held responsible or liable for any losses that you might incur. Okay. If the price going down, down, down and break this line, my support, then you will find that on the daily time frame there are more than 3 candles going down. Because now that means you have broken this line. Then that is a downtrend. Then sengizolindela ukuthi price i-retest, then I ngidayise. But at the moment, because it's still in between here, I'm expecting the price to continue going up. I'm looking for the price action, engulfing candles like this one. If there's no engulfing candle, but my retracement or pullback should be reaching a price that is closer to my 50 EMA. That is a convincing retracement, because some might be not convincing like this one. It's a pullback, but there's an engulfing candle. Can you see now, if I take a trade here, my TP will be so close. For me, that is not reasonable enough to take a trade. So now, if there's an engulfing candle here, or price action, I take a trade. My target is or will be here at the close of those candles or candle on the higher or recent higher high, not on the higher of the candle, on the close of the high of that swing. Yes, I hope you understand me. But if there's any pullback here and it's happened that I add another trade, those trades, the target will be at the higher of those candles, because the first one will be at the break even, or I have banked some few rands. Okay, this is how I approach this thing. At the moment, I'm already in this one, but on the other broker, which is Watch Forex. But I could have waited until this candle close above 13, then ingene, ngoba ayikho i-price action engiconvinceayo. Ngingene mina based on this candle, momentum yalo ngivele ngiconvincile ukuthi angingene. So my stop loss will be behind here, below this lower, or just behind my 50 EMA. Yes, someone will say, hey Simo, but your stop loss so was cool because now we are using a higher time frame. Yes, I know that. It's up to you now to use what they call a risk management. Use the lower or the minimum lot size or the reasonable lot size. Don't be greedy trying to chase. Because you can see now how many pips from here. This year I'm taking here to up there, it like 103 pips, 104, 105, 106 pips. So when what if now the price goes down against you? That means now your stop loss or your loss will be huge also. So use the lesser or the reasonable lot size. That is when the risk management comes in. Okay, this is my projection for the EurUsd. It's going up to this point. There is a trade that I have already taken on the other broker that I'm using. I'm also using this one because you can see even here it's alive, but there's no fund at the moment. It's the same thing to GBPUSD. You can see, yes, it looks like a double top there, but there's a what do you call this thing? Liquidity sweep there. then it came down to this lower, didn't break it, or not breaking it. So any price action here also will be convincing for me to go up, because this one also is the double top, I mean a double bottom there. But my aim was to analyze the GBP, the Euro USD. Here's my Euro USD, my analysis for Euro USD for this week. I hope you will enjoy it. Please help me subscribe on this video and like the video. In future, you will be notified when I upload another video. Isimosendoda investment. Yeah. Thank you. I'm out.